Guys, have you ever noticed how one simple idea can suddenly turn into 10 open browser tabs? You are writing text in one place, searching for images in another, building slides somewhere else, and all that constant switching quietly kills your productivity. It feels messy, slow, and way more complicated than it should be. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In today's video we're taking a different approach. Friends, I'll show you how to go from a raw idea to a finished project using just one browser tab with a platform called Skywork. It's not just a chatbot, it's a full intelligent workspace that can structure content, create presentations, analyze data, and even generate videos, all in one place. Together we'll build a short educational mini-course about the basics of artificial intelligence, step by step, without jumping between tools. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see how this workflow actually comes together. Friends, let's start with the foundation. Instead of staring at a blank page, this task gets delegated to Skywork. Document mode is the starting point for producing a clear, structured lesson outline. A prompt is entered to build 3 specific modules: fundamentals, tools, and ethics. And the more precise the task is, the better the result becomes. Different modes can be selected, and scene types adjust automatically, allowing Skywork to match the structure and tone to the type of work being done. All references used to create the document come from leading credible sources, and these references are clearly listed at the end of the document. Guys, on top of that, Skywork makes it easy to reuse prompts, keep notes, and track how much each generation costs. Everything is sent for processing, and a complete document with all modules is generated. Just like that, the foundation is ready, with a fully structured text in place. Individual blocks can be regenerated at any stage, with the text refined step by step directly in chat mode. Once all modules are ready, the document can be downloaded as .kix, PDF, or HTML, saved with comments, and used to continue working on the content. The file can also be stored, reviewed later, reopened in a new tab, or shared as part of the ongoing workflow. The workflow then continues in slides mode. A new prompt starts slide generation, followed by a short briefing about the presentation size. A slide range of 6 to 10 is selected, along with the visual style, before moving on. Folks, at this point, Skywork uses the MCP tool to gather relevant resources for the slides. A slide outline is created, and the full presentation is generated with all 10 slides in place. The information shown on these slides is genuinely useful. It serves as a real introduction to artificial intelligence for beginners. The presentation can be downloaded, exported to Google Slides, saved as a template, or opened as a standalone page. Mates, individual slides can be regenerated at any time, with full control over their content and presentation. At this stage, both the course description and the full presentation are ready. At this point, the question of visibility comes up, which is why a promo video becomes necessary. Normally, creating a promo video would require external resources, like stock footage or hired animation. But with Skywork, this happens directly inside the platform. The process starts in the Video tab, where a scene is described in words, and an image is uploaded as the base for the video. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Different approaches can be used, such as image to video, start and frame, with 2 uploaded images, or subject reference to build the video around a specific subject. An image of a mosaic is uploaded and described as a cinematic camera zoom using a detailed prompt. Multiple generation models are available, with one selected for this example. Friends, the promo clip length is set to 5 seconds, which is more than enough. Auto mode and 1080p resolution are selected, and the generation is started. A few moments later, the video is ready and can be previewed directly inside a clean built-in video editor. From here, the video can be expanded with additional generated or uploaded content. Sound effects can also be created by describing the desired audio. In this case, a sci-fi ambient sound with a deep digital hum is requested, and the system generates a unique sound effect. Folks, the result can be previewed directly, and it fits the visuals really well. At this stage, the cover is ready and can be exported or downloaded. All of this takes about 10 minutes inside Skywork. Within that time, a structured course plan, a complete lesson presentation, and an eye-catching promo video with professional sound are created. No switching between apps or tabs is required, and there is no need to look for designers or purchase stock music. Mates, everything happens in one place. In addition, Skywork offers a project gallery that allows existing projects to be explored and reused for inspiration. What you see here is a fully fledged generative result, from start to finish. Alright friends, let's wrap this up with a few final thoughts. In this video, we showed how Skywork takes you from a raw idea to a finished mini-course, handling the entire process inside one platform without switching tools. At its core, Skywork is about simplifying the workflow and saving time. So what do you think, guys? Would you use a single workspace like this for your projects? Or do you still prefer separate tools? If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.